Some AI testing platforms pay more for a 20-minute app review than survey apps pay in an entire week. By the end of this, you'll know where people are getting paid to test AI tools, how the payment works, and which type of platform usually pays the most. The short answer is this: specialized user testing platforms usually beat survey apps for AI review work. Here's how it breaks down. First, there are direct user testing platforms. Apps like UserTesting, Userlytics, and Trimata pay users to test websites, apps, and AI tools. The job is simple: open the app, use it, speak your thoughts, and answer questions. This is the highest value category because companies need real feedback before launch. The process usually looks like this: sign up, complete a sample test, qualify for available projects, then submit recordings. The better your feedback, the more invites you usually get. Second, there are AI training platforms. Sites like Remotasks, Outlier, and Data Annotation sometimes pay for evaluating AI responses instead of using the app itself. That means rating answers, checking logic, or comparing chatbot outputs. This is less like app testing and more like quality control. The advantage is consistency. These tasks can appear more often than traditional app tests. Third, there are GPT-focused gig boards. Some startups post short-term AI review jobs on freelance sites like Upwork and Fiverr. These usually ask for specific things: testing a writing app, reviewing an AI image tool, or checking chatbot accuracy. The pay varies because it depends on the client, not the platform. So which pays the most? If your goal is highest payout per task, direct testing platforms usually win because they're tied to product research budgets. If your goal is steady work, AI training platforms often have more volume. If your goal is flexibility, freelance gigs give you control but take longer to land. Here's what actually works if you're starting. Sign up for at least 3 platforms, complete your profile fully, and pass any qualification tests fast. Turn on email alerts too. Most high-paying tests disappear quickly because they have limited spots. And one mistake to avoid: giving lazy feedback. Short answers like "works fine" kill future invites. Detailed feedback gets remembered. So the quick summary: use user testing style platforms for bigger payouts, AI training platforms for consistency, and freelance marketplaces for flexible gigs. Your next step is simple: apply to 3 today and complete the onboarding. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more legit online earning breakdowns.